Hey guys, what's happening? This is another video on Shopkicks. The only reason why I'm showing you guys this is to show you guys how quick I'm actually tallying up points now. The biggest reason is because I have a TJX reward card and my Best Buy reward card. They're actually credit cards linked to this account, and you can see I'm already back up to 3,400 points. That's equivalent to over $10 of Amazon, Best Buy, any kind of rewards that you're picking. I haven't done a whole lot as far as I'll still go into the stores and make sure I'm checking in, but obviously I'm scrolling through showing you guys what's available still nearby. Most of it seems to change. Nothing terrible, nothing too drastic. A lot of times I know they kill, like my best ones are TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I've noticed they've been killing the walk-in rewards on those because they were so high, but Home Goods is still rocking and rolling with 150 points, so that one's pretty big. And of course you can shop online, which I haven't really been doing any of this. If I do buy anything from stores like this, I noticed that I believe Ebates is probably doing a lot better and giving you a higher rewards. Which you guys can watch my video on how to actually use Ebates as well. And that's cashed me in 31 bucks already this year, making one purchase. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So check that video out if you guys want to save some money. But I just want to show you guys, I've already got 10 bucks right there. I can change the reward if I wanted to. But the biggest thing I wanted to show you guys is actually just the activity, because I don't want you guys to sit there and think, how in the world is he making all this? How's he getting all the points? It's not easy just going in and you can get them every probably month and a half if you go to these stores quite often. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all those big ones that have the larger 50 to 100 checking points, because obviously you got to get to 1,250 points to make your first $5. So figured I'd show you guys this. I've already got an all-time of 4,600 kicks. I actually went out today, and you can see I've got pending purchases with my TJX, Marshalls, and again TJ Maxx card. So I'm getting, there's a couple extra 100 points coming my way. Equivalent to what, maybe not even quite $2, but nonetheless, it's $2 that I would have never had anyway. So you can see I've actually today, January 5th, I actually went into Best Buy, and they've got a lot of reward scans that you can do. And so what you do is you just kind of walk around, find these products and scan the barcodes. I actually was able to just scan them right on the face of the QR codes rather than actually picking up the box or finding it, because a lot of times they have them locked away or whatnot. But rather, I just scan that QR code or barcode, and it must link to them and let them know what they're actually selling it for. And in doing so, you can see the save $18 for the Philips Hues. So I noticed, I don't know how much, if they're saving money or if there's links to that, you could look into that. But you can see I'm getting 25 kicks for each one of those scans, and I probably spent an extra 4 minutes walking around the store just scanning things at the end. We've got a new Best Buy, so I kind of enjoyed walking around, seeing where everything's at, seeing the new stuff. So it was fun to make the extra scans. But you can see outside of that, I've got walk-in bonuses. I went ahead and had an invite coming in there. And then obviously scanning a couple more, just a couple random things. I made a purchase through eBay. That was a nice, good one. That $5 reward just for, I think I spent about 50 bucks that day. So get a free $5 out of it. That's pretty awesome. A couple more scans. You can see all these walk-ins over here. Some purchases. Obviously I claimed a 1,250 points reward with an Amazon card. Again, you can see how you can watch some videos that are usually worth 1 to 5 kicks. Not really worth it at all, but if you're just kind of messing around in the app, you can click it to earn some points. Link in a card. Other than that, some random videos, walk-ins. The videos don't get you much. I just get bored sometimes and do it. So you guys can see all those. Those are all my rewards since, actually, let's see, October 11th. So since October 11th, I've got 4,600 points. That's it's over $15 that, hey, was free Amazon, and who doesn't want free Amazon money? So anyway, that's all this app was for, just an update to show you guys how I'm making my kicks and my rewards and my points. And but if you guys got any questions of how it works or anything else, feel free to. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, most importantly, to my channel. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process and how can we make money, can I make it. The largest hurdle is making 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's why I need you guys to subscribe. I hope you guys do. It sure helps me out, helping us all get there. And hopefully I can report some good information to you guys, and because I know that if I can do it, I think most anybody else out there can do it as well. So just kind of wanted to share this video, and as always, check back for more, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.